No matter how low the sun still is, he's already here, ready to go. Ready for the next adventure, for the new job. With working power and speed. Whether on the streets or the rails. Wherever you go, he is right there with you. That's how it's supposed to be among team players. Which we all have to be here, whether human or machine. Who's aiming high needs to work together. Be versatile. Spontaneous and flexible. Just like the handy Liebherr quick coupling system. Ready to knuckle down. Take things in your own hands. Get things moving. Whether in the rough or the delicate. To provide an overview in every moment. Because we all need to keep an eye on each other. For a trouble-free shift change. He surely doesn't need that one. He's still ready to step on the gas, tackle new challenges, and turns night into day with us if necessary. Towards finishing time. Well, not quite there yet. But together works quicker and more economical because time is always tight. And the colleagues count on you. That's why everything needs to be as efficient as possible. From the work on site to the maintenance, which can be carried out easily from the ground and will be done quickly with a few small steps. And the show can go on, safe and comfortable through the crack of dawn, thanks to reliable operating area limitation and an intuitive operating, until the sun rises again and your colleagues are taking over. He will then still be here. The Liebherr A922 Rail, always ready, everywhere.